What if the most basic function of your body was the basis for your separation from school, from your family, from society? For many young women around the world, a period serves as an end to much more than a sentence. It prevents them from living full, meaningful lives. Days for Girls founder and CEO Celeste Mergens learned about this issue while working at an orphanage in Nairobi.
I was personally familiar with poverty, but unaware of the magnitude of menstrual poverty. The girls were sitting on pieces of cardboard for days without access to what they needed for basic menstrual health.
Something as essential as menstrual care is something every girl should have. Period. Celeste and her team came up with a solution: a washable, long-lasting, reusable pad that was designed to meet cultural and environmental conditions in communities around the world. What began as a small group of volunteers, envisioning, iterating, sewing, and assembling kits, has grown into a network of chapters, teams, and clubs, all doing the work of getting supplies and educational materials in the hands of those who need them. When COVID struck, Days for Girls called upon their extensive network of volunteers and partners to create and deliver more than 1 million protective face masks, along with coronavirus education, to frontline workers and other vulnerable populations. But Days for Girls does much more, working to foster female entrepreneurship and leadership too.
Days for Girls enterprises are groups of local women who are trained to produce and sell kits in their communities and also provide women's health education. This encourages them to have financial security while also addressing shame and stigma within their communities.
Today, DFG's global operation of 15 staff members, 70,000 volunteers, 150 enterprises, and 1,000 chapters and teams across 144 nations on 6 continents adds up to 2 million women and girls experiencing shameless and sanitary menstrual cycles.
In many cultures, menstruation is considered a curse, and some so much so that wives and daughters will wait in sheds or huts or crawl spaces under homes during their entire cycle. With advocacy, education, and access to resources, change of mindset can occur, and the shift happens.
To learn more about Days for Girls, go to www.daysforgirls.org and see why they are the much-deserved winners of the PIR.org Impact Awards.org of the Year.